Hello everyone, today I'm going to review and unbox the Thunderbolt Magnum solar portable household battery charger. It's a solar charger that you can take, with you camping or use in a power outage or in a non-power situation to charge up your batteries. It will charge up AA's, AAA's, C and D, as well as 9-volt batteries. It's made out of a pretty good plastic and does a good job of charging up your batteries. I'll bring this up for you here. Item number on this one is 68690, and there's a close-up of the back as well as the actual unit itself. There's the nice carrying handle that comes with it. Actually folds out as a stand for it too, to help you angle it to the sun. I'll show you that as well. There are no instructions. All the instructions are written on the back of the box, so I will show them to you right there. And just so you know, it will only charge 2 AA's or 2 AAA's at one time, and 2 C or D batteries at one time as well. Also, if you're charging a 9-volt battery, it will only do 1 of those at one time. But then again, if you have no power, it's better than nothing. It's actually quite a good little charger. So let's take it out of the box. Okay. And that's basically what it looks like. This is the charge light, and this is the charged light. So when it's charging, this will be red. When it's fully charged, this will be green. Okay. There's the solar panel, the carrying handle. It's nice. It stows away too. It's kind of a neat design. As well, if you put it back like this, you'll see that the charger will sit at an angle. Okay, so that it helps it point towards the sun. Okay, so that's a neat thing. I put the charge handle back in. I take the back cover off. Here's all the precautions. NiCads or nickel metal hydrides are okay to recharge. Of course, non-rechargeable batteries, don't put them in there. Right? So here's the features on this, which is kind of neat. First thing off right here is that it can be used as a regular charger by plugging in a 6-volt adapter, AC adapter into it, and it even shows you the polarity right there on the plastic. The outside is negative, inside tip would be positive. It does not say how much milliamps it should be, but I believe that's on the box somewhere. I'll take a look here. Yeah, it says 6 volts, 500 milliamp input only. Okay, so basically you can plug it into the wall and use it as just a regular battery charger. Okay, here are the times for the selected different batteries. Okay, so and that's for single batteries. Okay, so I would say more or less double it for 2 batteries, but basically I've put them all 2 AA's out for an entire day, and they get fully charged through that process. So there's all the okay, it says times are approximate, may vary. They may happen quicker and may happen slower depending on how much light you're getting and how intense it is, right? Okay, so back to the back of the unit. As you can see, there's the AC adapter port. It doesn't come with one. You'd have to get one, buy one separately. There's your 9-volt battery charging port. And here's what I think a lot of people have a problem with. For 1.2 volts, which is your AA, AAA batteries, it needs to be a 1.2, and your D batteries. It needs to be switched down to 1.2. Then there's an off switch, and that's used for if you have it plugged into the wall to keep from overcharging your batteries. And then there's the 9-volt switch at the top. Okay, so Again, I've seen people that said that the unit didn't charge, and I suspect it just had the switch on off, and then of course if you get it on off, it's not going to charge. So 1.2 for AA, AAA, and C and D batteries, 9 for 9 volt, and off to turn off the unit so it doesn't charge at all. Okay. Next, I'll show you what it looks like when it's charging in the sun and when it's done charging. Okay, so there's both solar chargers in the sun. Not sure whether you can see this or not. Let's see if I can get it. Right there, you see the charge light is on, which indicates, of course, that the solar charger is actually charging. Okay, and I'm going to leave them out here all day. Usually it takes about 10 to 12 hours to get a full charge. We'll see how long, but I'll check them. And I will flip them over from east to west as the sun goes from east to west. Okay, here are the chargers. Now they're approximately noon hour. As you can see, the red light's still on, which means they're still charging. Same thing on that side. And I suspect it will take most of the rest of the day for these to charge. Each one is charging 2 AA batteries. And here's what it looks like once the battery is fully charged. You get the green charge light on and you're done. Now, things that I would tell people to do here to make sure. Number one is you're only going to be able to charge 2 AA batteries at a time, or 2 D size batteries at a time, or a single 9 volt at one time. Make sure that this is set to 1.2 volts if you're doing AA's or AAA's or D-size batteries, and also switch it up to 9 volts. See if I can show you that a little better. There we go. So you got 9 volt here, 1.2 volts down here, and off. And there's your DC input for a 6 volt adapter. Okay, but I'll show you more of that, and I'm sure I showed you that in the unboxing. Once again, I think are great little chargers. So here's the 2 pair of batteries that I used the solar charger to charge, and they're in my GMRS battery. It's a GTX, I believe, 1000. And let's see how they work. Obviously good. Let me bring it in for focus there, and as you can see, the battery indicator shows a full charge, so that's great. So if you're out camping and need a way of charging batteries, I would say the battery solar charger is a great way to go. Again, make sure that you understand that you can only charge 2 AA's at one time, and 2 D-size batteries or C-size batteries at one time, or 1 9 volt battery at one time. So if you want to charge 4 AA's or 4 AAA batteries at one time, you're going to need 2 chargers. Thanks for watching.